Greetings everyone! Today I would like to show you guys how to create an interactive presentation about continents in the world only using Microsoft PowerPoint. It's me, I'm Shafika from P1009E24. This is our learning outcomes. Upon completion of this video, audiences should be able to make illustration using smart art graphics in PowerPoint. Last but not least, audiences should be able to make interactive slides using hyperlink function in PowerPoint. Before we begin, this is the final result that we are looking for. Let's get started. So this is the template that we are going to use it. We got the title here, exploring the continents of the world, table of content and the list of the continents and the text given here. So we move on to the quiz part and the questions here, and that's all. So the first thing that we are going to learn is using the smart art tools. Go to the third slide, Asia. So as you can see here, there are so many text, even it is in form of point, but it is not that exciting. So we make it to the graphical by doing the smart art. By doing this, we have to click on this and right click and it show like this. We search the convert to smart art. As you can see here, there are so many options. So we are going to use this. So tada! This the graphic is more exciting than before, and we can resize it as we like. Moving on, we go to the Africa one, and the same as before, we go to the right click, convert to smart art, and we use this one. As you can see at the top of this, we call it as ribbon. We can choose whatever we want according to our liking. As we can see, we can do the vertical bracket list, and here it is. And I could do the resize thing again. Now we are going to learn something new, as we can add a picture. And look at this. You can choose whatever you want from a file, or you can search it online. As for me, I already downloaded it. You can search it on the Google, just search it. And now same thing again, and I can edit the text with the different color. I want to change it to the white. Other than we can insert an image, we can do something else, like convert to smart art, and at the top again, besides the layout, we can change the color. We can choose wherever we want, and tada! We can combine all of that to the rest by doing the same again. As you can see, we can have a more smart art graphic, and the list goes on, list, process, cycle, hierarchy and more. I can insert an image. Alright, to the Europe next. And last but not least, Australia. As you can see here, there are variety of the intense effect, the effects. And that's all. Furthermore, the second thing that we are going to learn is hyperlink tools. We go to the 11th slide. There is a question and the option of the answer. So the first option, select all. by doing the Control A and right click, and there is the hyperlink. As you can see, there is a option, but we go to the place in this document. We go to the 12th slide. We is going to the slide with the result is wrong. Do as well with the rest. As for the Asia one, we make it a little different by change it to the 30th slide, because this is the right answer. If I go into the slideshow, here, if we answer it to the North America, and they are going to the wrong side. If you answer it wrong, it goes to this slide. Same as previous, we select all, right click, hyperlink, and we want to make it to the origin question so they can try it again. As the slide, the first question is on the 11th slide. Same to the right answer, but this time there is no turning back, but we are going to the next question on the 40th slide. We continue with the repeated step to the second question. We going to use the same method again, but for the result with the wrong and answer would be the 50 and 60 respectively. So here's the thing. If we want to edit the link, we can always look back, and if we want to remove the link, also can the right click and remove it. So the right answer would be the Russia. Same goes to the result one, the question on the 40th slide. And congrats, you're done. Now, if we looking back at the table of content, the problem with our PowerPoint is there are so many slides. But what if we want to just go to the specific slide without going through one by one? So the hyperlink tools come to our help by doing the same thing, but this time we can make a shortcut by doing Control K, and there is the hyperlink box. And we're done. Other situation is we on the other slide, but we want to go back to the table of content without going through one by one. We want to make an icon that we can click on, just go back to the table of content. By doing this, we have to insert an icons. We can just type home and insert what we want, and we can also change it with color we want, and we can place it the corner of left bottom, and we want to copy all of these one by one in this slide. But before that, we have to hyperlink again and make to the table of content. So we will like to duplicate this home by Ctrl C and paste it Ctrl V. If we control and click, we got back to the table of content, and that's all. Now we are at the end of the video, but we have to conclude that we managed to illustrate using Smart Eye Graphic in PowerPoint. From the text, we can make it more fun to represent our point. Other than that, we managed to make an interactive slide using the hyperlink tools. By doing this, we can keep audience more engagement without losing their focus to our presentation. And I think that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching.